Hey guys, welcome to the channel. In this one we're talking about how to import Google Calendar into Notion database. So just create a database in Notion with properties matching your calendar details, such as, for example, your event date, date and time, description, and location. Then guys, you just need to create an automation scenario, for example in Zapier or Make. So in Trigger you select Google Calendar. Then in Notion you select create, with action you select Notion and then create database item. And then you can use field mapping, map Google Calendar output fields to your corresponding Notion database properties. Or you can use Notion if your goal is to manage Google Calendar and Notion database items in one master view side by side. You can do it here. So just open Notion Calendar or download the desktop app. Right here guys, you can just get it for Windows right over here. Alright, once you're here, you just open up settings, let me find them, settings, then you have add calendar account, then you add your calendar, and then you just add your Notion database alongside it. So just test this out guys, enjoy as always, and thanks for watching.